Okay, so hey everyone, and I hope that you are all doing great. Well, before we move forward, let me remind you of something very important. Okay, so the last three lectures are the most important lectures of this entire mentorship. So if you are a day trader, you must watch them again and again, not once, not twice, because this is where the real age is, and that's the most important part of our whole mentorship. So if you are a day trader, watch it again and again. All right. Okay, so if you backtest what I teach you, you will understand its power. Every single day it gives entries. Every week it proves its presence in the market, and every day at the same time it gave us turtle soup. That's what make it so powerful, and that's what make this model the easiest models you will ever trade. Now let me simplify everything for you. Let's say you are trading the 5 p.m. model, and your job is simple. Just mark the 5 p.m. candle, then wait for the 9 p.m. candle to take one side. Which side? That's depend on your bias, your order flow. So if there is a key level, perfect. If there is no key level, still fine. All right. If there is no key level, just follow your order flow. So once you mark the 5 p.m. candle, then wait for the 9 p.m. candle. The 9 p.m. candle sweeps the 5 p.m. candle. You do nothing except one thing. You just have to wait for turtle soup, and once the 5 p.m. candle sweep by the 9 p.m. candle, then you just have to wait for turtle soup. Now where will turtle soup appear? All right. So between the 9 p.m. and the 10 p.m., that's our turtle soup time window. So you will get your turtle soup between 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. That's just 1 hour window. So inside this time you will get your turtle soup. That's it. And this is how you will use every model I teach you. All models work the same way. All right, just mark the candle, wait for the next candle to take one side. If it sweeps, then look for turtle soup in the time window I gave you. So if you backtest this, everything will become very clear. If you don't backtest it, you won't understand anything I'm saying. And trust me, excuse me, and trust me, there is nothing easier or simpler than this. This is the peak of simplicity in trading. Now what is your confirmation? All right. So your confirmation is always be a turtle soup. Remember that every candle will do only one of two things. It will either be sweep, or it will give you a proper close above or below the previous candle. So there is no third option on any time frame. At any time sweeps are closed, that's it. Okay, so the real question is not what will happen. All right, everywhere on every time frame you will only see two things: sweeps are closed, and the real question is which candle will be swept. And how do you know that? How you will know that this candle is going to sweep, or this candle will give us a proper closing? All right, so every sweep excuse me, every sweep or every close will be above or below the previous candle high or low. All right. Okay, so how you will know that this candle is going to sweep or give us a proper close in live market? So the answer is turtle soup. Turtle soup tells us that whether the current candle is going to sweep the previous candle, or it will give us a proper close above or below. All right, and that's why I love turtle soup. We already know only two things happen, all right, on any time frame, and turtle soup tells us about one thing. Turtle soup tells us about sweep. All right, so if there is turtle soup, it will be sweep. If turtle soup is not present there, then it will give us a proper close. All right, above or below. Simple logic and very clear logic. All right, turtle soup exists on every sweep on every major or minor retracement, or on every major or minor sweep. Alright, you just need to know where to look for turtle soup, and because it's this important, it's not enough to just know turtle soup. You have to master it, because you already know only two things happen in the whole market on any time frame. And excuse me. So two things happen on any time frame: proper sweep or a close, and turtle soup tells us about sweep. Alright, so excuse me. So because of this, it's not just important to just know about turtle soup. You have to master it, because once you master turtle soup, you won't need anything else for the rest of your trading life. After the last lecture, I received a few messages about turtle soup, and if you remember, I promised you all that I will create a long lecture on lower time frame, especially on turtle soup. So today we will do a short lecture on turtle soup, and this is the lower time frame lecture on turtle soup. So I need your full focus and full energy here, because only, let me remind you again, that only two things happen in your whole market: sweep and close on any time frame. Alright, and if you just master one of them, trust me, you won't need anything else, because you already know that only two things happen in the whole market. You can see here very clearly: sweeps. Alright, again sweep. Alright, and here again sweep. Alright, but there is some points we will understand every point. Alright, you can see this candle gave us a proper close above the previous candle high, and the next candle gave us a sweep, and you can see the very next candle also gave us a sweep. So everywhere on any time frame, on any asset, on any pair, you will only see two things: sweep and a proper close. Alright, and you don't need to master both of them. You just need to master one of them. So if you master turtle soup, that's mean you master every sweep candle. Alright, because every sweep candle has a turtle soup. Alright, so today we will talk about turtle soup. I need your full attention, I need your full focus. Alright, so today lecture is going to be very special, and trust me, after this lecture you will need nothing more. Alright, and nothing more is required for you. I will explain each and everything about turtle soup in this lecture, so I need your full focus, I need your full attention here in this lecture. Okay, so now let's go to lower time frame, and let me show you how to deal with turtle soup, and how to avoid fake turtle soup. If you remember, in our first few lectures, I told you and I gave you a few rules about turtle soup. So remember the rules, and if you apply that rules on your turtle soup, trust me, your turtle soup won't get turtle soup. Alright, so let's go to lower time frame, and let me show you about turtle soup, that how turtle soup look like. Let's see this candle. Okay, so this is the 9 p.m. candle, and here you can clearly see that our 5 p.m. model did not give us any entry. So as I told you, that if the 5 p.m. candle did not give us any entry, then we will focus on the 1 a.m. model. Alright, now here why we are looking for buying entries. Here you can see we have order block as well, and you can see the FVG, but the market did not give any respect to FVG, but still we have order block as well. So we will take this order block as key level, and you can see the market is bullish on any time frame. Alright, and our first TP will be 50% of this 9 p.m. candle, 50% of CRT, and the second TP will be the CRH, and if you want more, you can target external liquidity as well. Alright, but it depends on your patience, that how much patience you have. Alright, so now let's go to the lower time frame, and let me show you how to deal with turtle soup. So let's go to lower time frame. All right, okay, so this is the range of our 9 p.m. candle, excuse me, and let me ask you all that what do you see here? All right, this is the range of 1h4 candle, and let me ask you what do you see here? So your answer should be that price is dropping lower, market is breaking old low in lower time frame and respecting high. So market is breaking low and then retracing into lower time frame PD area. You can see here is our FUG and order block as well. So market retrace here and then break this old low. So market is breaking low and then retracing and then again breaking the old low. All right, and here we are expecting a buy setup in our 1 a.m. model, and as I told you before that this is the CRL of the 9 p.m. candle. This line is actually the CRL of the 9 p.m. candle, and this above line is the CRH of the 9 p.m. candle. And as I told you before, let me remind you again that whatever you are trading on any pair, on any asset, if you are using CRT, you have to mark the previous close candle high and low, and this is the previous candle high CRH, alright, candle range high, and this is the CRL candle range low, and you have to look for turtle soup above or below the line. Alright, if you are looking for a buying setup, you have to look for your turtle soup below this line. And as I told you before that if you are trading the 1 a.m. model, then you have to look for turtle soup from 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. and if you did not get your turtle soup and this time, then you have to look for your turtle soup from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Alright, these two windows are time windows, sorry, for your turtle soup. You will get your turtle soup, you will get your confirmation inside these two time window. So remember this time. Alright, now let me show you how to use your turtle soup and how to avoid fake turtle soup. So let's see that the market will give us confirmation from 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. or we have to wait for 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. So we will only look for buying if we get our turtle soup below this CRL. Alright, we will look for turtle soup below this CRL because we are looking for a buying setup, and if you get your turtle soup inside the CRH and CRL line, then it will not consider a proper turtle soup. Alright, because it will be inside the previous candle range. So it will be a fake out. It will be just a continuation of the previous candle trend. Let me explain turtle soup in the most simple and possible words. So turtle soup is nothing complicated. It is just the break of the previous swing low and then shift into the opposite trend. That's it. Now let me break it down properly. Alright, in a very simple word. So when price breaks the previous swing low and then shifts its previous direction and break the recent swing high. So when price break the previous swing low and then break the recent swing high, that structure is your turtle soup. So on the swing where the shift happen, you will almost find a PD area. There can either be a breaker block or a mitigation block or even a order block, or you can also see FEG as well. So once that shift happen, then you can enter from any PD area and that swing. Alright, your stop loss should be below the turtle soup swing low, and your first target should be 50% of the marked candle range, and final target should be CRH if you are buying or CRL if you are selling. Now you should realize something important, that turtle soup is extremely easy. It is just a break of the previous swing low and then a break of the recent swing high, and you can enter from any PD area from that swing. All right, so the real question is, why do almost trader fail with a turtle soup? Why does the turtle soup get cooked? All right, so let me ask you honestly, how many times did you trade a turtle soup exactly like this, exactly like I told you? How many times did you wait for your turtle soup in this correct time window, or were you just forcing setups everywhere? All right, because your turtle soup fail because you don't care about time. So if you are trading the 5 p.m. model, you have to look for turtle soup only from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. If you are trading the 1 a.m. model, first you have to look for turtle soup from 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. If nothing form, if you did not get your turtle soup, then second chance is you will get your turtle soup from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. These are only your turtle soup times. Now let's make it practical. So here we are looking for a buying setup. All right, so and as I told you before, that we are here we are trading the 1 a.m. model. So your turtle soup should be from, first you have to look for from 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. for turtle soup. If you did not get your turtle soup, then you can wait for 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. You will get your turtle soup. All right, if you did not get your turtle soup, then you don't need to rush, you don't need to force trade. All right, you can skip that day. So here we are dealing with the 1 a.m. model, and first we will see our turtle soup from 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. and if we get our turtle soup inside this time window, then we will do trade. All right, so let's see that the market gave us turtle soup or not. So we will look for buying. First, our turtle soup should be below this swing low, because this is the last swing low of the 9 p.m. candle. So excuse me, so we need a break of this swing low. All right, so here we get the break of this swing low, and as I told you that turtle soup is just a break of the previous swing low, and then a break of the recent swing high. So this is, excuse me one second, this is the previous swing low. All right, we get the break of the previous swing low, then we also get the a shift, or you can say then we also get a break of the recent swing high as well. Now we just need we just need one PDR in this swing. This is excuse me, we need any PDR in this swing. You can enter from any PDR inside this swing. All right, and keep eye on the time as well. Let me mark from 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. You have to look for turtle soup inside inside this time window. All right, so let's see. Well, here you can see FVG as well. If you let's see it on M23. Well, here you can see clear FVG as well, and yes, FVG. You can enter from here the market tab into our PDR. As I told you before, the turtle soup is nothing more than just a break of the previous swing low and then the break of the recent swing high, and you can enter from any PDR from the recent swing. Alright, from the swing after the soup, TP1 will be 50% of the range, and TP2 will be the CRL or CRH. If you are buying, then TP2 will be CRH. If you are selling, then TP2 will be CRL. So let's see that as the market gave us TP or not. everything is valid. Our turtle soup is valid, time of turtle soup is valid. Now let's see what happened next. Alright, first target will be 50%, TP2 will be the CRH. This is 1:7 trade. Let's see that as this is the 50%. Yes, this is more than 50%. So excuse me. So our first TP hit successfully. Then you can look for CRH as well if you want. If your order flow is clear, then it is good to look for TP2. Alright, if it is a ranging market, then it is better to out on 50% of the range, because the market will always give you setup every day. Alright, so first you should need to save your capital, your equity. The market is not going anywhere, but if you wash your account, then it's not good. Alright, so our 50% hit, let's see that is the second TP hit or not. So you can see when your turtle soup is valid, then it will work, but if you choose wrong turtle soup, then it will fail. So here you can clearly see our TP2 hit, but first the market stay in a big range. The market was a accumulation position. Alright, this is the CRH, and if the order flow is clear, then you can easily target external liquidity as well. And as I told you, that external liquidity can be in the form of old high and old low. So remember guys, your time after turtle soup is the most important. Alright, if your time after turtle soup is wrong, then your turtle soup will fail. Your turtle soup will get another turtle soup. Alright, so always check that is this is your turtle soup time or not. If it is your turtle soup time, then enter. Alright, then don't worry about SL. If SL hit, then SL is a part of game, SL will be hit, but always look for your time after turtle soup. If your time after turtle soup is correct, then it will work. Alright, you can see turtle soup is very simple. Turtle soup is very simple, and it won't hit your SL if it is a valid turtle soup. Alright, and I told you about a valid turtle soup. I hope you understand. Okay, so always remember one thing: price alone doesn't work, and time alone also doesn't work. It only work when price plus time both aligned. That's why I always tell you to look for a turtle soup only at the specific time I shared with you all. Alright, so if you backtest it properly, your confidence will grow, and confidence never come from 1-2 times backtesting or 1-2 time watching. It come from again and again backtesting, then executing in live market. So follow the rules. I have already gave you 5-6 rules for turtle soup. If you apply them properly, your entries will become more safe and clean, and your confidence will grow. I hope all your turtle soup doubts end here. Now now you know how to use it, where to use it, and when to look for it. So remember this very clearly: your turtle soup should always be below CRH, or sorry, below CRL and above CRH, and inside the exit time window I told you. So watch this lecture 20-30 times if needed, then test it seriously. And if you still did not understand anything, just DM me. I'm here for you all. So this is where we end today lectures. Don't forget, big testing is mandatory. Have a good night from here. See you soon in the next lecture.